We are building a like-minded entrepreneur community which is completely vision and mission driven. And they don't come with expectations, but expectations to help each other, inspire each other and grow each other.
We used to think that business is to just make money, but Ascentive is helping us to understand business is just not to make money but to build relationships and to grow together.
They have guided us how to run your business effectively, and what mistakes we had done in the past we could understand now after joining Ascentive.
When I started business, I was not knowing how to build network. Ascentive taught me how to build relationships and maintain it.
The clarity, the engagements, the connects, the growth that I looked for in my business, it has clarified all the doubts and everything that I was unclear about. So Ascentive has been that portion of my business that I really was finding.
Life begins in a business with your vision, and that's what Ascentive has taught me, to articulate my vision, to share it with people and connect with like-minded people who are passionate to making my vision come true.
The vision session that we did for our business, me and my partners, has really helped us to bridge, to build a roadmap where we want to go.
Every time when I'm stuck in my business or I'm looking out for ways to grow, I can go back to my vision board and that's helped me through Ascentive.
When there is a problem during achieving that growth, or as for even that matter to set my goal, so Ascentive has been a great help.
For me, is a platform to incubate new ideas, implement them effectively and help sustain them in the long run.
So for me, my business as an e-commerce consultant is to engage a certain kind of audience of people who will probably give me business. Now this certain kind of audience is what Ascentive has helped me understand and realize and identify.
In business, relationships and trust is important, be it sales or purchase. Most important is these relationships, be it family, be it friends, be it vendors, team or clients. Everywhere the core learning in Ascentive what I got is how to create a relationship, nurture it and take it to the high level.
So one habit that has been installed in me through the Ascentive training is actually trying to imagine my life with a perfect work-life balance.
I think the most important habit that Ascentive has made me realize, and I'm practicing it, is to be very, very upfront and do business with your heart, not with your mind.
The way I spend my time with my family members, the way I do my coffee meetings with my clients, a lot of things have taken us shift.
I have learned to effectively network, connect with people at the right level and rightly engage with them.
Regarding AMC, is Ascentive Mastermind Community. It is a community or group of people which are like-minded people. They help each other to understand the positives and negatives, to overcome the negatives and to grow, to help to grow the business in long run.
My vision for Ascentive Central India is to grow this multiple times and making this ripple effect with more thousands of entrepreneurs. Overall, the living lifestyle of everyone goes high and people are happy with their time, with their business and make more money.
Ascentive means like a safety net.
It's a symbiotic ecosystem for long-term relationships.
Ascentive is a big catalyst in my life.
Ascentive is like an extended family.
So Ascentive is a vitamin for my business.
Ascentive means to me is bonding, relationships and growing together. So in short, engage, connect and grow.